to not show off, but give a little look into the hotel I'm at, which is Hôtel Dauphin here in Montreal. I'm staying here for Montreal Comic Con, and just want to give people a little look into how the rooms are set up. I love it. It's very beautiful, in my opinion. Just taking off my shoes. Here's the room itself. Nice big king-size bed. They even give you a Mac, oddly enough. You know, perfectly nicely mounted TV. Here's the mirror. Let's see, is this a closet? Oh, yes it is. Now, how big is the space? Oh, here's a nice chair. Pretty straightforward, and I'll be honest with you, for a studio room, it's pretty damn big. It is really damn big in here. And it's really cool that they even give you a Mac to utilize. It's great. Lots of plugs, as you can see over here, USB outlets. It's a really modern hotel, to be blunt. And I like the look of it. It has a very much an Ace Hotel vibe. You know, very industrial, so to speak, but utilitarian and clean. It has a very Scandic look to it. My window view is not that great. It's just a brick wall or another building. So let me just close up this off so I don't get woken up in the morning with the sunlight. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. And in the bathroom, nice walk-in shower, a rain shower. Oh no, it's not a rain shower. Pretty spacious bathroom. Nothing more to it. Well, anyways, this is just a quick look at Hôtel Dauphin here in Montreal. For any of you who may be staying at La Dauphin, that's actually how you say the hotel, La Dauphin, or however you say that in French. But this is a great hotel, great value too. You know, very affordable for what you're getting here, which is a huge size, convenient space, convenient location, I mean, and a lot of amenities. So I highly recommend it. So if any of you guys are staying here for the Montreal Convention Center, this is a great hotel to check out. Anyways, this is Neon Polygons. Thanks again for watching, and catch you all again later. Let me know any questions in regards to the hotel if you have any. Thanks.